today, I tell you now, so be careful of the enemies you have. Not the ones you created, but the ones that created themselves. Now, on your quest of doing you and improving you and evolving you, you're going to have people who have a problem with you or uplift you when it not have nothing to do with them. You have people who go out of them way to become your enemy. You have people who find a problem with you. You have people who make up lie, tell story, say things where you never say things where you never do, just for you and them in an argument, because you and them life not connected. And them want to become a part of your story, a part of your life. They want to bring that bad energy to your thing. You have to learn to start to ignore them. Sometimes it's hard, but learn to ignore them. A FOOTAH I tell you, learn to ignore them.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your very first time to the channel and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell, so once we upload a video you will get that alert. So people, just yesterday I released a video that FOOTAH Hype, the viral king, has been detained by ICE officials in the United States. Well, today we have an update on FOOTAH Hype's situation. Newly found information is that FOOTAH Hype will be facing an immigration judge just a couple days before Christmas. Let's get into the article. Controversial dancehall selector O'Neal FOOTAH Hype Thomas is now in custody of the U.S. Immigration and Custom Enforcement, ICE, and is scheduled for a hearing with an immigration judge on Monday, December 23rd. Jamaica's ambassador to the United States, R.J. Marks, told reporters that we can confirm that Mr. Thomas was detained on Saturday, December 14 on arriving at Port Everglades Seaport aboard the Independence of the Seas from Falmouth, Jamaica. Mr. Thomas was detained for further review of his travel documents and admissibility status. Marks revealed that FOOTAH Hype will have legal representation when he faces the court 2 days before Christmas. However, she added that the consulate in Miami is also in communication with the detention center and will be visiting with him today. The ICE website shows that O'Neal Ricardo Thomas, a Jamaican, is in their custody at the Chrome Processing Center in Florida. Reports surfaced on Monday that the selector, known for his ability to sight aliens, were Sorry people, me didn't have a laugh there, so. But anyway, me get back serious again. Reports surfaced on Monday that the selector, known for his ability to sight aliens, were carted off by real officers from ICE soon after disembarking from the Welcome to Jamrock cruise ship in Florida. Fans have since expressed concerns for the social media loving music personality, whose 4 days silence on Instagram triggered several unanswered questions from followers. FOOTAH Hype, who has earned a reputation as the king of mix-up, inserts himself in many controversial issues, has enjoyed life in the US, and his detention has come as a surprise to many. The ICE website notes that there are many reasons why someone can be detained by Department of Homeland Security and its enforcement arm, Immigration and Custom Enforcements. These include, but are not limited to, the person having arrived at the border without a visa or prior to formally applying for asylum or refugee status, an outstanding removal or deportation order on record, either pending or past due, or missed prior immigration hearing dates, or committed a crime or multiple crimes. Well, we just hope that everything turned out for the best for FOOTAH Hype, and we've seen where some people have been kind of rejoicing since this whole thing go down. Well, this isn't really anything to rejoice for. Someone to really understand why a lot of persons are glorifying this whole situation. Yes, FOOTAH Hype may talk a lot. Yes, FOOTAH Hype may dip him mouth in a certain things, but at the end of the day, you don't feel wish no bad for nobody. You understand what I say? But let's move along to the next topic. But before I do that, if you agree with me, start to put down in the comment section. Or if you disagree with me, still make me know down there so. You understand? Are you one of them who are rejoice for FOOTAH Hype downfall? Make me know. On to our next topic. People, governor. Yeah, you don't know a governor, Mr. Wanna move? Yeah, governor made a big move recently at a school for a child who recently lost his home. Governor donated a huge sum of money to this cause. Let's take a listen as Miss Kitty speaks on this matter.
And Governor, the good man there, I gotta tell you, Governor was so kind enough to come to Jonathan Grant High School yesterday. And, for those of you who may not know or may not have listened, I have to heap praises on Governor for his wonderful, kind gesture yesterday at Jonathan Grant High School. And I saw the real general them. And I saw the real boss them. Because some boy in a general them a Jennifer. And some boy in a boss them a basket. So big up the real G, Governor, will come over Jonathan Grant High School yesterday and gave $100,000 to the student whose house was burnt flat to the ground. He has no clothes, he has no uniform, no books, everything burned up in the fire, from a pin to an anchor. Everything was burnt to the ground. We went over there yesterday. I organized a class party for him, along with the Magnificent Seven, his friends, who pulled together, collected money for him so that they could help him get back on his feet. They collected $10,000. So what I did, I gave each of them $10,000 for match them $10,000. Governor come and give the youth were all bundled $100,000 and give the Magnificent Six $15,000 each. Then my sponsors KFC, Digicel, ITEL BPO Smart Solution, Grace, Devon House, Wisinco through their brand Bigger. They all came on board and gave $50,000. Book supplies, groceries, and that's how we deal with things. We don't just talk about it, we are about it. And I want to big up Jonathan Grant High School, and I want to say big up and much respect to Governor. We'll come over here. Nobody never asks God about the money. It just a come perform for the kids them, because you don't know why the kids them feel good. And we always tend to highlight the bad students and the negative students. But it's important that we know that we have good picnic at Jamaica. I don't ever picnic out of order. I don't ever picnic rude. I don't ever picnic disrespect teacher. I don't fight police. You have picnic at school where do good. We are pull up them head. We are dealing with education. We are dealing with make them mother and them father proud. And those are the students that we want to highlight. The only way to drive out darkness is to shine the light. And so we wanted to shine the light on those young boys who were kind enough, empathetic, compassionate to do what they did for their friend who lost his house in a fire. And so I wanted to go over there and say, Tajna, you know I have to fix things, come Miss Kitty come here to fix things. And so I organized, called up my friends, and we got stuff together, went over there, got them cake and ice cream from Devon House. Digicel come and give them brand new smartphones, $50,000 book supply, uniform, and we have set it so that they can enjoy them Christmas. Because we don't want a child feel left out, and we don't want a body feel away. And you don't know my motto is to whom much is given, much is expected. So I want to big up Governor, the real boss, the real G. Because you have all of our artists in a crocus bag of things. And in a real life, they not live that somebody. So I want to big up Governor for come cross, big up Shadow, because you don't know real boss. And we sincerely appreciate it. When the students got the money yesterday, they were completely flabbergasted. They were totally discombobulated because they were not expecting that money at all. So as youth who are 13 and 14 for Christmas here, $10,000 from Auntie Miss Kitty each, plus $15,000 from Governor each, $25,000 they ever spend at Christmas here for themselves, plus the young man with us bun down, get a $100,000 pack. You see, when you call 100,000, it nearly a black fits me for hold him up neatly. They say, Father God do, nobody drop down. But I gotta say, big up to the Governor, one vice and the Dan vice, Fort Jenna. Big up with a nice clean self, and of course to all the students who are doing well, we salute you. We want to big you up. Not every student and not every child is a delinquent, or truant, or rebellious, or misbehaving. There are students who are towing the line, and when I look over Jonathan Grant High School, I want everybody to know that good students are everywhere. not just in traditional high schools, but good students, upstanding students, brilliant students, thoughtful students are in every institution. Good people there everywhere and bad people there everywhere. Whether downtown, country, round town, upstairs, downstairs, and the toilet, anywhere. Bad people there everywhere and good people there everywhere. But instead of always highlighting the negative, it is important, it is imperative that we highlight the good students so that they can be an inspiration and a motivation to other students to follow in their footsteps and also do well. So big up Governor!
There you have it, viewers. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Talk me down in the comment section on these topics, right? And no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. It's Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.